Mastering, suddenly, boost your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into a word that you might have heard quite a lot but might not be using to its full potential, and that word is suddenly. Stay tuned as we explore its meanings, uses, and some examples to help you master it. Suddenly is an adverb, and it is used to describe an event that happens quickly and unexpectedly. It can be used in various contexts and situations, from everyday events to dramatic changes. The key here is that whatever is happening occurs all at once and takes you by surprise. Let's look at some examples to see how suddenly is used in sentences. 1. The sky was clear, but suddenly it started raining. 2. Here, suddenly, describes the quick and unexpected change in the weather. 3. We were sitting quietly when suddenly, a cat jumped through the window. 4. In this sentence, suddenly, highlights the abrupt entrance of the cat. 5. She was about to give up on the puzzle when suddenly, she found the missing piece. 6. Suddenly is used here to emphasize the unexpected moment of realization. Notice how in all these examples, suddenly makes the events more vivid and emphasizes their abrupt nature. While using suddenly, make sure not to overuse it. Because it emphasizes surprise and abruptness, using it too frequently can make your writing or speech feel exaggerated or unrealistic. Also, avoid pairing suddenly with verbs that are already quick by nature, such as explode or jump, as it can sound redundant. To vary your language, you can use synonyms for suddenly. Some of these include instantly, implies that something happens at the moment it is spoken of. Abruptly highlights a sharp, sudden change. Unexpectedly focuses on the unforeseen nature of an event. Feel free to use these synonyms to add variety to your language and keep your audience engaged. And that wraps up our exploration of the word suddenly. Remember, it's all about describing those quick, unexpected moments that catch us by surprise. Use it wisely, and you'll find it adds a great dynamic touch to your storytelling. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing to make your English fluent and vibrant. See you in the next video.